Hey everybody, welcome back to video number, and I am breaking out from the shave, 6. Video number 6. Continuation, the Pat McGrath Rose Decadence palette. As usual, don't know what I'm going to do. Don't know what kind of look I'm going to create. Don't know what. But we are going to create a look. Number 6. It's going to be an amazing look, as always. So yeah, without further ado, let me go ahead and prep my eyes. It's here sunny in the Netherlands finally. And let us see what we are going to do. Be right back. Alright, so eyes are prepped. Tape is on. So I only do tape on me. Just so I could have more of a defined line and stuff like that. But if I do it on photo shoots, I will always ask the model if it's okay, if they're okay with it, because there are some people out there who, you know. So it's just a little pro tip to keep in mind. But yeah, I actually am going to go ahead and start off with, oh gosh, what do I want to do? I want to do something sultry. But I need, okay, you know what? I'm going to start off with black. So I'm going to dip into this bad habit. I don't even know if they do this anymore. This Mystere. And I'm just going to use the black. And with that, I'm going in with a liner brush. I think Bad Habit got discontinued or something because I tried to look for them and I couldn't find them. Okay, that is a very dirty mirror. So going in with the black in it, just a regular black eyeshadow, and just really begin to do the corner. Because I really want to do something sultry. There we go. Keeping it really right in the corner. Perfect. Straight in the corner. And then going in with a fluffy brush and just go ahead and just kind of smoke that out as much as you can. Oh, that sun's coming back. Perfect. Just really begin to smoke it out. So I'm gonna have to scooch you over. Scooch, scooch. Scooch, scooch. Perfect. And then just really begin to deepen and darken the black. And as always, just build up to the intensity you want it. Some people may like it softer, some people may like it more harsh. It's up to you. Alright? Perfect. And then from here, I'm going to dip into let me go ahead and do with flat brush. Oh, pink champagne, this guy right here, this one, boop, boop. And really begin to just layer that all in the inner and up to the brow. Up to about, you know what, let's bring it all over the eyelid. Screw it, yellow. Just to about right there. And slowly tap it over to the black that we just laid down. Perfect. And up into the brow, because we'll have that as the brow highlight as well. Perfect. Awesome. And then let me go ahead and do the other eye, get it up to par to where we are, and we will continue. All right, so this is where we are at. I had to move back because the sun was in the, decided to just show up. But this is where we are. Pink champagne with the black liner. And I'm actually gonna head into the hedonistic Hedonistic. Hedonistic rose. Hedonistic, Jesus. And really begin to just put that right on top of the black. Oh, I keep forgetting I need to get a mirror. Just really begin to just build it up over the black. Just to have that nice sweet transition. Perfect. And don't worry if it really covers the black, because we will go back over it with more black. So just really try to create that smoky ethereal effect from the black to this. And just really begin to just smoke it up. I don't know why, but for some reason for my eye shape, I just really been loving doing more of that wing. Look at, they're not even, you can't even tell that they're twins, whatever. It always looks good on camera, because when I do angles like that, you can really begin to see the liner. But when you have hooded eyes like this, it's niet goed. Perfect. Sorry, this video is probably like shit, but this unexpected sun kind of ruined it, but we are loving it because we barely get it. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Ooh, I love that gradient effect it has. And then going back in with the black, which is called Lacquer Lush in this palette, and just really begin to outline or add depth to that black. It's more so just right there. There we go. And then going in with a clean, fluffy brush. Something like this, and just really begin to just blend it out. And then when you feel like you need more of that hedonistic rose, just head back over. Right over the black. That is all you need to do. Let me go and do the other side, and we will be right back. All right, so this is where we are at. Just redefine the black with that hedonistic rose. Pink champagne. I mean, actually, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Let me actually go in with a little bit more of the black on a fluffy brush. And really begin to focus it on, what do I want to focus this black? Just in the outer corners. Just to really create a little bit more of the depth in the wing. And a little bit more of a nice blend into the hedonistic rose. Sorry. Bring it just a smidge out like that. And of course, with both sides, I don't want to make it so permanent and predominant, but just enough for it to be there. And especially with working with black, I always like to do my eyes first, just in case with all the fallout. Just a smoky, nice blend and gradient. And just a little bit in the crease with whatever is left over with the brush. Perfect. Awesome. And this is actually, I think it was a dupe for the Perversion palette from Pat McGrath. Oops, sorry. Try to get that mirror out. There we go. And in all honesty, those duochromes actually are phenomenal. Anyways, enough about that. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my face, and we will be back with the final look. I may do something on the bottom. I don't know. I think I just might want to keep the focus on top, and hopefully the sun's gone so you can see the final result in natural lighting. All right, be back in a bit. Bye. All right, so this is where we are. And I think for the eyes, I actually am just going to leave it as is because I love having the drama on top. But I am going to touch up just a smidge of the hedonistic rose. Oh God, this lighting, I swear. Do I really want to touch up a little bit? No. Just a smidge. Like, just a whisper right into the crease there. Just like, literally just a little whisper. Just to define the crease just a little bit more. Perfect. But we are going to do the blushes, blurs. Let's do some blurs. So I'm actually let's do a highlighter first, dipping into the Makeup Forever, the gold. Let me actually just apply with my fingers because I love the way it turns out with the finger. Anything with the finger is actually usually a lot better. No pun intended. Perfect. And I am having a reaction to something because I've been breaking out really badly. I had Selfish for the first time, and I think I broke out from it. I don't know. We'll see. Perfect. So let me go ahead and I do want to do some cream blush because everything right now is like blush this, blush that, and I want to do. Do I want to do a bright or dark? I'm gonna go in with Golden Guava by Julep. I don't know if anybody remembers this, but this is kind of like a peachy. Is this the only one I have? Yeah, peachy Desert Rose is another one I have, but it's a lot darker than I wanted to go. Like a peachy golden orgasm type of, kind of like orgasm, but more peach than pink. So I'm just gonna literally just go like this, and then get in the blush brush and just begin to blend back. And I'm just gonna have this down as my base because I think on top I'm going to go ahead and add Swindle. Actually, I'm gonna do Bowery and Swindle mixed together right on top, but just blend it out. Perfect. And then Swindle and Bowery mixed together to get that cool and warm at the same time. And of course, boom, just boom, bamboozle, boom. Perfect. Up into the temple, giving you some 80s vibe. There. Perfect. So let me go and do the rest of my face and we will be back with the final look. All right. And this is the look. The sun is finally gone, so I'm back in the shadow, but still natural light. And actually I was a little worried of how this was going to turn out. I was totally going to scrap it, start all over again. But, you know, this is definitely a look. It's something. But for lip, I actually want to keep it nude. Like, how nude do I want to go? Do I want to do old school naked? Or do I want to do like old school matte type of nude? Faux is, I want it not nude, but more mauve, like a mauve nude. Not like a mauve pink, mauve nude. Let me do hue. Max, good old hue. I think faux is actually what I wanted. Okay. You guys remember those very nude concealer lips back in the day, early 2000s? Yeah, this is it. Let me go back to faux. Is that faux? That is not faux. Faux tan. Faux? Is this faux? It's still pure zen. What did I do with my faux? Shoot, girl. Where did that faux go? Faux show. Faux. Okay. Faux. Fox. Faux. It's faux. There we go. Okay. There we go. Got the faux on for show. And of course, the Dreamscape with that golden, has that golden opulence, which I need. Oh, I would love Pat McGrath to turn this into a topper eyeshadow. Oh God, yes. Or just come out with a quad with nothing but toppers in your special shades, please. Like, seriously. All right, there we go. This is the final look. Number 6 of using Rose Decadence. Almost a Dreamscape, Rose Decadence eyeshadow. Obviously, we all have a black eyeshadow. The winger, the higher, the more dramatic the wing, the closer you are to God. So this is kind of what I wanted to do. Sorry, it's a little hot. But I'm not mad at it. Number 6, video number 6. Perfect. So I think I have like a few more videos of this look. I mean, I've kind of tapped into all the shadows. And I'm actually really happy I did this series because I actually tapped into that for once. Which is actually beautiful. I don't like warms. It's a beautiful copper-ish type of thing going on. That actually with that as the base and one of the from the Bronze Seduction, the Celestial Astral, the duochrome topper shade would look so good on that. But anyways, video number 6. Oh, this came out a lot better. And I'm actually trying out a new mascara now. I'm going on to the Lancome Grandiose mascara, which I actually do love because I like wands that are more like this so I could actually separate my itty bitty lashes. I don't like to put falsies on when I do my looks because I don't want to waste them. I'd rather save them for shoots and stuff like that. So, ooh. But a few more videos coming and then we will move on to a new palette. Don't know what palette yet, but I am enjoying these Mothership. And I am slowly, I want to finish the rest of this because I want to start using the different highlighters and bronzers, condensing my kit. But, I mean, this is, I've been using it for the past, for the Tropic palette and now this, and I'm still like, I think after this, I think it is time to let go, but it's so hard. So, hope you guys enjoyed video number 6, something a little bit more dramatic, which I love. And for a hooded eye, I got that wing. I hate having a hooded eye because it's so hard to have that. See, if I do it at this angle, boom, gorgeous, boom, gorgeous. So, until next video, I think I'm going to try to do at least 4 more, get to number 10. So, you guys enjoy. Have a great day.